In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a Priceline coupon code. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Redeeming a Priceline coupon code on any listings that you browse through on their website is extremely simple. As you might expect, I am going to be doing this process on my computer through a web browser at Priceline.com. Simply arrive at this page and you have to go to checkout to see whether or not you will be able to redeem a promo code for a specific hotel, flight, or bundle. So all that you have to do, like I said, is to find the specific booking that you would like to redeem the promo code on. Now, you simply have to browse through all of the options, choose your room, choose your flight, and proceed all the way to checkout. You can be signed in or even using the website as a guest. Finally, upon reaching checkout, on the second step, under guest and payment details is where you can find the option to use a promo code. So as you might expect, you have the usual categories here. So the contact information, the payment method, and at the right side of the screen, right underneath the total charges, you will find the option to enter a promo code. Unfortunately, I will not be able to show you a valid working promo code. I simply wanted to make this video to demonstrate how you can use the promo code that you might have, and you simply include it here. If the promo code is valid, it is going to get applied and you are ready to finish making your booking. The total charges are going to be updated immediately and you will be good to go. Now, I need to make a very important disclaimer. Some bookings will have this warning instead. Priceline coupons cannot be redeemed for this booking. If this is the case, that is true. Unfortunately, there is no workaround to this. So for some specific bookings, they will not accept the coupons or promo codes that you have. Keep that in mind. If it doesn't work, unfortunately, you will not be able to redeem them here, but anywhere or any booking that the promo code works will have the discount applied when you go over to the total charges and you finish making this booking. Everything will be available for you to manage on your account afterwards, and nothing will change even if you include the promo code besides the price. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a Priceline coupon code. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.